Anzac biscuits. How do you like your Anzac biscuits? Chewy or crunchy? Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Combine the butter, golden syrup, boiling water and bicarbonate of soda in a medium saucepan over low heat. Cook for 2 minutes or until the butter melts. For chewy biscuits, combine the flour with caster sugar. For biscuits with a crunch, you want to use brown sugar. Then add the oats and coconut to the flour mixture. Pour the butter mixture into the dry ingredients and stir to combine. Line 2 baking trays with baking paper. Roll tablespoons of mixture into balls and place on the lined trays. Flatten slightly, but make sure you leave some room for spreading. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Set aside on the tray to cool completely.